Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you really quickly that I masked this off. So if I play this, the one side of the video is going, and then I'm getting my actual video here, then my stick figures on the other side with the green screen. So how do you do that? Let me show you. Alright, so I have the clip here. I moved my green screen clip aside, and I need to add what we call a mask. So I go over to my effects panel. So the FX, go to the little pen tool. This is really a change in opacity. You want the free draw Bezier curves. Alright, then I'm going to create my mask, and I literally just, with that clip selected in the timeline, I'm just going to clip around it, and then when I close it off, it should mask it off. So this becomes transparent. You could mask anything. I mean, I could have gone real detailed and maybe done the figure, but I don't want to do that. And then all I have to do is come back over here, use my selection tool, grab this, move it onto another layer, drag my green screen stick figure, bump that out, and then I've got half of the screen stage taken up by the stick figure, the other half is the video.